Whenever you're ready. This is Steed shooting the Bisley. I think I heard metal ting, maybe. All right, I'm going to zero in on the bucket if I can find it out here. Okay.
I got metal.
Yeah, you got metal again.
Way low.
Oh! And I got it on video. Nice shot.
One hand.
That's 225 yards or so. Right on.
God.
Oh, fuck. Okay. I got to try it now.
Nope, I got one more.
All right, pick a target. That was sweet, man. Thwack, and she just falls over. I got it on video, too.
Okay.
Right on, dude.
Oh, that was one hand.
Oh, man, I wish I would have been standing, like, behind you, but that's cool.
You know what? I'm just feeling really good right now.
Yeah.
I'm just going to let...
There's more in that box. Load up a full cylinder.
I know, but you know what?
Yeah, stop while you're ahead.
I'm going to stop on that one. Because it feels really, really good. Oh!